In Lombardia, Italy, a rider is making his way through the narrow streets when, out of nowhere, a car pulls out from the left. Always ride with caution in tight urban areas. Keep your speed in check and be ready for the unexpected.
Lo stop! Sto coglione!
In Shandong Province, China, a biker runs into trouble, highlighting exactly why it's safer to lane filter or stick to the right during heavy traffic. A group of riders in Brazil were cruising down the highway, but then an impatient maniac decided to bulldoze right through them.
Meu Deus! Segura, segura!
The biker was okay, and luckily for the rest of the group, the car could not escape. The driver should have been more patient, but to avoid these kinds of situations, just let the cars go through.
Fica aí! Fica aí! Fica aí! Fica aí! Fica aí! Fica aí! Fica aí suave! Fica aí suave! Fica aí, caralho! Fica aí, filha da puta!
In Dallas, Texas, a biker had a terrifying close call. It made him pull over and sit in silence for a long time. The car was at fault for crossing a solid line, but the rider stayed defensive. He scanned ahead, and that made all the difference. And by simply reducing your speed, you gain even more control over your bike.
I can't believe I'm on the bike right now. I don't know how I saved that. I thought you were going down.
In Panama City, Florida, two riders were out enjoying a ride when one decided to do a rolling burnout. But things took a turn. He accidentally grabbed the front brake and ended up on the pavement. His friend couldn't avoid him in time. He clipped his shoe and went down as well. Luckily, both riders were okay.